Alright, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not far from Kingmixup, it's not credible and you don't know the deal, my peeps. My dad for telling the what I go on for not to go on, you see me? So, I don't know the thing said. And me bust the story exclusively after 1 in the morning that Jerome Cunningham, Cat, and Nanko Paul passed away. You see me, I say, where they get the news fresh, so them the things say the three of them get cut down. Right? But we had made an update afterwards saying Nanko Paul survived his gunshot wounds. You see me I saying in a stable condition. So a lot of people think say other Mexicans them did it. I'm not going to rule that out, but I'm here to confirm to you it wasn't them who unalived the youth them. You see me I say it was 3 black men. Like I said, me see one of the witness them and them say, say the man them did it on foot. And if you know anything about California, especially Crenshaw and them area, a black man territory, no Mexican would be caught walking on foot because there would be sitting ducks. Because say a gang central over in a Cali, And if it was the Mexicans, why would they be walking in a territory? Them know say that anything can pop up on them. They would have done a drive-by. You see what I say? So I'm not ruling out the Mexicans. We'll get to that later. But this can be a case of misidentity. Yeah, because 30 minutes before Jerome them get cut down, one man get shot like a couple blocks up 30 minutes earlier in a drive-by. No, it seems that Jerome them did a sit on the corner and one vehicle with nothing. So that's why I'm say it could be a case of identity and them thing there. You know what I mean? Man, them a circle the area, look for sitting ducks and, find the man, them and the probably fit, the picture or whatever and whatnot. You see me, I say, put in the comment section where you think about that. No. Let us talk about this Mexican cartel theory, because it's no secret that them, the Jamaican, them love rob the Mexican thing, them and run off with it. So we know that Nanko Paul did get shot in Florida some time ago. You see me, I say, him survived that. Like him survived that one, but that one day, that happened at Crips fish fry in Florida. Yeah, that for sure was the Mexican who did that. You feel me? Now these niggas was up in California, in a bad man territory. And like with the Jamaicans, the Mexicans, they supplied the American gangs, the black ones, with drugs. You see what I say? So it wouldn't be nothing for the Mexican them for outsource that job to the gang them, being that, these Jamaicans be in these people territory. You see what I say? It can be a thing like that. You feel me? So the Mexicans could have paid the Crips, the rolling Crips, to put out, to take out them boy there, because we get word say it wasn't the Crenshaw Mafia bloods. Yes, we know the gang them run this, and not personally, but we know about them, and it wasn't the Crenshaw Mafia blood. So it's either the Mexicans, either the it for the Crips, or the Crips mistakenly identified, Jerome them as some next shatters them who did, light up the youth them run the corner. You see me I say? But me also have a next theory now, because the thing said when, these Crips see that you're making money in their neighborhood and you're not, how should I say this, donating to their charity, it's half extortion. You see me I say? Yeah, maybe say the Jamaican people now run them program this, so the band them say, what, let's light up them boy, You see me I say? Anything still, but me just come for confirm to one of that a 3 black man shut up the people them. So me don't know what I talk about Mexican and light skinned man with long hair walk upon them. I lie them, I tell them I know nothing about California, because now Mexican wanna be caught walking in a them gang territory controlled by black people, because you'll be a sitting dog. You know what I mean? Black man say a Mexican walking 9 times out of 10 and having a tattoo, and it's just stripes, you know what I mean? People just catching sitting ducks, So if a Mexican did what them did, them would have do a drive-by. See me I say. Anyway, people, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because we are drop the things and the people them run with it. You see me I say. Also subscribe to my Instagram channel, because that's where we are drop the thing them first. Because that's on their favorite YouTuber or whoever get them thing and add on to it and take off my thing. You see me I say. Bless.